Hello, welcome to my easy statistics. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Contact me for data analysis and training. You can contact me through email or WhatsApp. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate the sample size for studies that compare two means, like comparing the effect of two drugs on blood pressure or hemoglobin levels. We will go through a real medical example and show you each step in a simple and clear way. Let's begin. This is a medical example. A medical researcher wants to compare the effectiveness of drug A and drug B in increasing hemoglobin level in anemic patients. From previous study, drug A increases hemoglobin by 1.5 grams per liter on average. Drug B increases hemoglobin by 2.5 grams per liter on average. The standard deviation sigma of hemoglobin in both groups is assumed to be the same, that is 1.7 grams per liter. The researcher wants to detect this difference with a significance level of alpha 0.05, that is 95% confidence level. The power of the test is 0.80 because the beta is 0.20. So 1 minus beta is equal to 0.80. Now the question is, how many patients are needed in each group to detect a significant difference between the two drugs? For this, the formula is, this is a formula where n is equal to sample size per group and sigma alpha by 2 is 1.96 because 95% is a confidence level. So at 95%, sigma alpha by 2 will be 1.96 and sigma beta is 0.84 because we have seen the power is 80%. At 80%, okay, z beta will be 0.84 and sigma is 1.7 because the standard deviation is assumed to be the same in both groups, that is 1.7 grams per liter, and delta is 2.5 minus 1.5, that is 1. Drug A increases hemoglobin by 1.5 grams per liter, whereas a drug B increases hemoglobin by 2.5 grams per liter. The difference between this 2 is called delta, that is 1. Now let's substitute these values in the formula. Now n is equal to 2 into z alpha by 2 plus z beta to the power of whole square, that is 1.96 plus 0.84 to the power of 2 into sigma is 1.7, so 1.7 to the power of 2 divided by delta is 1 square. So n is equal to 2 into, so 1.96 plus 0.84 is 2.8, that is a square, plus 1.7 square is 2.89 divided by 1. Now n is equal to 2 into 7.84 into 2.89. Now n is equal to 2 into 7489 into 2.89, that is 22.6. So n is equal to 2 into 22.6. Now that is approximately 45.34. So if you round it, we are going to get 46. We are doing upper rounding to the highest level. So it is 46. So the researcher should include at least 46 patients in each group for a total of 92 because each group is 46. So the total two groups combined, it will be 92 participants in this study.